how to activate My Simba SIM card. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can activate My Simba SIM card. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to activate My Simba SIM card, it's rather quite simple for you to do so. Now, the thing that you can do is you can actually just go to the Simba application. So download the My Simba app and then simply launch it like this. Right on the login page, you'll find a little button at the bottom under register that says Activate Simba SIM. Right there you can see. So you just have to tap on that Activate Simba SIM button, as you can see. And then after that, a SIM card will be detected within your mobile phone and will automatically activate it for you. This is the way to simply easily do it. You can also actually scan the barcode on the back of your SIM card or input the 20-digit number manually. And once activated, you can start using your Simba SIM. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.